Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to Keneishasays. I am hurrying right now. Today is Thursday and I am rushing to work. Work, Keneisha, work on a Thursday. Oh, stop it! Yes, work. I actually have a training to do, and it's called training the trainers training. So I'm training something. If you all don't know, I work at a distribution center, and what does that mean? I'm an inbound supervisor at the present time, an operations supervisor basically, because we can go anywhere, right? We can go anywhere and do anything. Yeah, I can go anywhere because that's the whole purpose of this training. I'm always enthused and curious about the forklift, the turret, you know, all that good stuff, all those equipment, and I always want to learn to drive them, you know what I mean? Like, it just looked fun. I know it's not supposed to be about fun. It's safety first. Safety first! What? But it looked fun. And I just feel like I need to do it. So I sometimes cover that department. I just feel like if I'm going to be covering something, I need to know all about the department. So therefore, when I am supervising or when I'm giving instructions or directions, I know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? So that's what this training is about. We can drive here, son? Oh, it is. Want him to go up the road again, and I can't even show you guys because I'm like, murder! No!
Who are you?
Did you go to all of the road? Nasa, look a baby. Driving skill just taking a like they literally took all the asphalt off the road, and then we're down to like the gravel. So therefore, everything is showing, all the pipes. All the metal thingy just sticking up. Anywho, I have 6 minutes to reach where I reach. So I was telling you. So I like to be aware and know my stuff when I'm supervising anything or anybody, I should say. So because of that, they have this training was supposed to be in the works like forever, but finally I'm on the list. So stop it, phone. So I have training today from 8 to 4, so a full day work, 8 hours, and I have training tomorrow when I go to work, also 8 to 4, so it's 2-day training. So I'm running to that now. I'm 6 minutes away, but if them people that drive, I can reach there in 3. But no, just slow down because we ain't going nowhere. Don't worry about Keneisha. It's late in the back. She's always late and she needs to learn time management. I'm working on it, but you're not helping me right now. Okay? Anywho, I'll be fine. I got 5 minutes now. I'll be fine. But yeah, I'm just taking you guys along the journey. I just feel like I want to keep my company today. I just feel like I need y'all to be here for me today. When I leave here, first of all, Tuesday was TJ's birthday. He's now a big man. A big man. My baby is 21, right? My baby is 21. So we didn't do anything, obviously. He's in school. But he's coming now on Sunday. Initially, we were supposed to go up on Sunday. But because him son big man, he have his own events. My son have his own events. So, because you know how I feel bad, he's going to come down on Sunday. We're going to do breakfast. I'm going to do like a little birthday breakfast. The kids want Easter, the egg hunt thingy, so I'm gonna just do that and just incorporate that in the whole birthday thing. So it's not like a celebration. Well, it's a celebration because I'm birthday, but you know what I mean. It's not a party, you know. Why these people don't drive? I wish I could just fly over them. Yeah, turn you to turn. The other person just turned to. Taking forever though. You put on this indicator like 2 miles down. Still haven't turned yet. Oh, that's okay. Damn. That's what's going on Sunday. So when I leave here, I think I'm gonna get some. I need to verify exactly what he needs. But for me, I think some pak choy and some food, some fried dumpling, some green bananas, some yam and something there. That's what I feel like I want. So I'm going to try, and I'm going to verify with him before I leave, and then we'll just run by the Caribbean store and grab some of that. We went to, I think you saw, well, I haven't edited it yet, but you're going to see. Just go through it before the man come now. Oh my God! These people! I got 3 minutes. All right, let's do this. So, yeah, you're going to see that I'm going to go home when I'm finished everything and edit that video so I can post that today. But guys, I've been trying to give you videos, right? So on Monday we went to BJ's. We did a huge grocery shopping because the house is empty bad. House is empty man. So we went large on the shopping, right? The intention was to do a grocery haul. We started by taking the pictures. But that didn't happen. And then I'm like, okay, let's forget about that. That didn't happen. No worries. We got more content coming, right? I wanted you guys to see, 2 minutes, right? I wanted you guys to see me wash some kitchen rugs, right? Show you the real way of in Jamaica how we actually wash rugs and we don't just put them into the laundry, right? I started out with my daughter. I started the video, but again, that didn't work out. Technically, you'll see that I attempted it. That didn't work out either. We went to BJ's and we wanted to go to the Caribbean store and stop and shop. But tell me why the fridge jam full up, so we can't even think of going in there. So like a spot right to saw. Myself always going Frank's way, but we cannot do that right now because it is too tight to go in front way. I think that's just me. 8 o'clock on the dot. I feel like me lean, you know? No, I don't lean. I don't mean lean. My big driver, you mean lean? You're crazy? Alright. I don't feel like I'm taking anything inside. Just gonna put on my, I don't think I'm taking my bag or anything. Let me see. No, buckle of water. Buckle of water. 8 o'clock on the dot, guys. Wait! Everything I check out. Gotta stop it. We gotta put on our vest. So management wear orange and the associates wear yellow. To be honest, I'm supposed to have on sneakers this morning and I don't. Because I send my home, I got home.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so I'm on a little lunch break. Do you see that I want to sleep? Hey guys, I just learned something. Do you know that when I finish this training today, I am officially a pit trainer? Like I can go anywhere, I can add it to my resume and I can train anybody on PIT vehicles. So yeah, I love that for me. We did get a 10 minutes break before, but I didn't come outside. So now we have a half an hour lunch and he's saying that he may be able to finish it maybe a little bit earlier or so. But it's just mostly like class stuff like safety and OSHA safety stuff and what you should and should not do, and then we're gonna do the hands-on training after we're finished. So yeah, so I have a protein shake that I'm gonna be drinking and I'm just gonna be chilling, and then when I'm done everything then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I didn't bring a straw, so I'm gonna have to go drink it this way. Anyway guys, I'll get back to you. Oh, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section and share. Okay, all right guys, so it's all done. To be honest, I'm really second guessing going to get the stuff to get the breakfast done on Sunday. I'm already on the road, but right now my whole body is saying go home, Keneisha.
Go home, Roger.
Go home. Plus I have to go home and cook. I really want to just go home. I think I'm gonna go home and then tomorrow or maybe Sunday morning, I don't know. My man is telling me to go home, so I'm gonna go home and get dinner started. Oh, I need a cabbage. I'm for cabbage. I'm for bully. I want to go up there because I want to grab a cabbage as well. So I'm not gonna get a lot of stuff. I'm gonna get pak choy, cabbage, saltfish, bananas, and yam and stuff. Alright guys, let's go. You gotta bend a knee. You still are straightening your foot.
Come on, chill out.
No, you still.
Watch out.
You still are straightening your foot like a robot.
I'm gonna do it.
Hi guys, I am home. Came home to see the kids them playing outside. It's a nice day. It's like 60 something degrees right now. Went to Carlos, went to Stop and Shop, and so I'm now gonna show you the haul. So the grocery haul I'm supposed to do, I never do. We're gonna do it today. We're gonna do another haul, right? So let's go inside. I literally just pulled up, and I got pissed off at one point because tell me why Carlos expect me to pack my own bag. Why am I spending so much money and you're gonna tell me that I need to pack my own bag because I have my own bag? Like, so normally, if you know anything about the States right now, you need to have your own bag. You need to have a bag or you're going to purchase bags, right? You can't get no bag free, not free anymore. So, I brought my bags. Went in, I grabbed everything or whatever not. So she's cashing. So I said, I don't want a bag. I have my own bag. She said, okay. I had my AirPod in my ears. I didn't know if she said anything or whatever not. So I said to her, do you need my bags? She's like, no. So I realized she keep cashing and she keep putting to the side. So I'm like, am I expected to pack my own bags? She said yes. I said, when did that become a thing? When did that become a thing? She said, oh, yeah, if you have your own bag, you have to pack it. You know, I'm upset. I'm going to say, you know what? It's becoming they want to come here in the first place. This is what you get. You don't listen. You don't listen. You could have just go to Stop and Shop. And I understand Stop and Shop if I'm going to pack my own bags because I'm going to the self-cashier. I never go to self-cashier. You cash me, so you pack my bag. But you know what? That's what I get. That's what I get. Anywho, the battery's going to die. I'm going to go inside. And after I do the grocery haul, I'm going to tell her to go. Because today was a little bit... It was exciting and exhausting, frustrating and fun at the same time. Like a whole bunch of different emotions.
I did it,
but I enjoyed it. So let me go inside and share this grocery haul. You gotta bend your knee. Bend your knee. Bend your knee. Your foot straight. Bend your knee.
Alright, remember that. One more time. I did it. So look, mama. Check this out.
Go on, Toby. Let me see, Bubble. Woo.
Mommy, check this out.
You still a bend it. You still a waste my camera.
Mommy, I went like this.
Bend it.
Mommy, that's called trapping the ball, mommy.
I just made a big bubble. Look, Mama.
Ooh.
So.
Alright, guys. So we have 3 bags from Carlos and 1 from Stop and Shop. So we're gonna go through this together. Guys, tell me why all this time I'm talking. Didn't even realize that it was not recording. So we don't start back from scratch. Just start over. Alright. We don't start over. I was saying to you that since we have 1 bag from Stop and Shop and 3 bags from Carlos, we're gonna start with the Stop and Shop one. Guys, I went through a whole... I need to go sleep. So I got 2 bottles of soy sauce. It's Hong Kong made. 2 bottles of soy sauce. This is the one that has a little bit of spice, a little bit of kick to it. So I got me 2 bags, 2 bottles. I got me some chicken patties because I did not get any at BJ's. I did look, didn't have any. So this is Purdue chicken patties. I got a pack of that has 4 in there. I was also saying to you that I have a pack of honey buns. We did purchase 1 pack at BJ's, but the kids them gone, devoured, gone completely. So I bought another box. Okay. And then this is where I was at. I was saying to you that I bought, this is the Pepperidge Farm swirl cinnamon, raisin and cinnamon. So I did go to Target yesterday. I got some stuff. I know we're supposed to be banning and boycotting, but it makes my life easy. So yesterday we were on the road. I did get a couple more stuff, like some cream, coffee creamer, some blueberries, strawberries. I did get a couple more stuff. But when I ordered this and went there, this was canceled because they ran out. I guess they had the last one and they sold it to somebody. So I went ahead and I got this. And I was also telling you that in total I spent $46.53 at Stop and Shop. And then last but not least, I got carrot cake for TJ. It's the only cake that he really loves. So I saw 3 of them. I got 2, 1 for him so he can bring back to school, and 1 for the house because we also love carrot cake. And Stop and Shop carrot cake, buzzing. So that's it for Stop and Shop. Let's jump into Carlos. So I'm upset. I have to pack my own bag. Them outside there, rude. But you bring your own bag. You gotta pack it. Miss, you just lose one customer. Lion! I have Carlos for years. I'm never hear that. Anywho, we spent $140 something at Carlos. Anyway, we got a box of Fosca oats, only oats that I eat, that I drink, that I partake of, okay? It's a big box. And we got some Grace Johnny cake. Why are we buying mixed Johnny cake, Keneisha, when you can make it by yourself? Because anything that is easy, that makes my life easier, we're gonna do it. So why do it from scratch when we can get the original mix and it tastes the same way? It tastes good. And we got some saltfish fritters as well, some Grace saltfish fritters. It tastes nice, a little bit salty, but it tastes good. I ran out of all-purpose Easy Spice. I have all-purpose, but it's not Easy Spice. And this is basically the, apart from Badia, my Jamaican spice is always gonna be Easy Spice. I got some fish and sauce, Grace. You know, it's my secret ingredients. All the secret ingredient that is coming up is Walkers with Jerk seasoning. Get into it if you don't know about this. Just a little bit of, you get a little bit like kick, okay? All right. And then we have some Grace peppermint tea. And we got some Benjamin some vanilla. That's one bag down. Let's go into the second bag. We got some Easter bun and cheese, golden crust. I always buy HTB. I missed this, and I didn't remember. I didn't see any HTB, so. Okay, golden crust, Easter bun. And we're going to eat American cheese. Coming down, gotta go buy the taste the cheese right now. If we go cut open the tin, and unless Troy buys it, I'm not gonna buy it. So all I know on TikTok and all them something talking about the Americans eating Jamaican Easter bun with American cheese. Okay, see here. What's the point? It's the same thing. Cheese, a cheese. I got some hard-dough bread, golden crust again. Got some Grace coconut milk powder. I got me 3 of them. Got me some saltfish or pollock fillet, if you guys want to call it that. Saltfish with the boneless ones, because again, anything that makes my life easier. I ain't gonna debone no saltfish anymore. And it tastes good. It have enough salt. It do what it needs to do. Okay, and that's the second bag. Let's go into the third and final bag. We got some escalene, okay? We got some pumpkin. I just picked up the first one. I never picked up the first one, but I feel like this looked good. This was like the second one that I picked up. The first one, it kind of looked, So, this look yellow and nice. I hope it tastes nice. So, yeah. I got me some pak choy, aka pap chow. If you know, you know. Some pap chow, yeah, to go with the saltfish for the birthday breakfast, okay? So, here we go. Pak choy. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. A pop choy with name. Let's pick up a tomato. I got me some cabbage. This one is big and look nice, and sesame will be good. I am hoping that it is good, okay? Because this is what I'm gonna cook right now. I feel for this and some corned beef. So I'm gonna do this. And some white rice. I got me some thyme. Can't have. I never buy the yellow yam. But somebody don't get it down at Stop and Shop, you know, because the yellow yam in a Carlos was too expensive. It was $2 and something $2 something a pound. I say I ain't gonna do it. Oh God. I forgot the yellow yam. And the dasheen. I'm gonna have to get sure to get it. Anyway, I got me some green bananas. Can't believe me forget it. And last but not least, some tomatoes. Yeah, and that's all it is. It's roughly, I'm gonna say, yeah, $290 something. Yeah, because 140 something and then 40 something. Yeah, like 190 something for all this. Look at my show now. All this, that is it. Almost $200. That is crazy, people. Sorry, not cheap neither. It is nuts. Anywho, I'm gonna go put these things away, but before I do so, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what happened today, because Michaela, so it's just fair enough for me to tell you guys what happened, right? How was training, Kenesha? Thank you so much for asking. Let me put you down here, so hold on. Light is not lighting right now, but you can't see me, right? You see me? I see you. Anyhow, guys, so went into training. When I reached at my work at 8 o'clock. I told you guys that, right? Like really not lighting, man. Alright, here's so better. Here's so better. I'm gonna talk to my ears, so come over here, so. Is it better? I think it is. So I reached work at 8 o'clock, and by the time I walked in, fully parked, walked in, I had to go get my book from my desk, grabbed that, run onto the training room. It was 8:05. Not bad. Apparently you had people that actually worked last night into this morning that were there, and they were earlier than me. Do I feel bad? No, not really. Yeah, you. Anywho, we reached, it was a lot of system not working, so technical issues, Wi-Fi not working, videos not showing properly, slowing down. Yeah, it started off a little rocky, if I may say so myself. But you know, we went for like a 10-minute break, and then after that, you know, we went through to 11:30. That's when you guys saw me for that little lunch break thingy, which was well deserved. Went back and we did like a couple more videos, and then after that we went like hands-on on the equipment. So if you know anything about your girl, I'm always nervous to start to do new things. And you know what? I don't even know why I'm nervous, because I did do the forklift one time. I did it for like one day actually, and I was taking pallets and stuff, you know, so it shouldn't be hard, right? But no, I went into this, I was actually doing the reach truck, and I just couldn't, like, the steering was messing me up. Like I had the positions right, the up and down and lowering the lift and up, you know, stuff like that, sideways, all that good stuff. But whenever I need to steer, like I'm all over the place, and I get nervous, I get anxious, and then I start getting angry, because white girls are done, so I can't get it. However, eventually I did get a grasp of it, which my trainer was like, we're a little bit shaky, but I knew that you could do it, because I knew that you were listening, and you continued. I know you move pallets and stuff. Girl, I took stuff off the rack, okay? Who know what rack is? I took stuff from off the rack and put it back up by myself. Okay, so the you know what the trainer had to say was very motivating, and you know, I felt good about myself after doing all that, and how frustrated I was. I'm a perfectionist, if y'all don't know, right? So if I don't get things right, I'm frustrated, I'm angry at myself, because I'm like, you're supposed to know how to do this. So I'm my worst critique, put it that way. You think you can critique me and make me feel bad? No, I am my worst critique. So in doing all of that, you know, the fact that at the end of the day he was like, you know, you did great. At first you were a little bit shaky, but you know, you came through. I knew you had it in you. And from doing confusion to actually correcting yourself and doing whatever and moving pallets. So I'm proud about that. Yeah, and it was overall it was a good training. I like my trainer. He's good. He's very patient, and I like that about him. Very calm, very chill. So we have one more class tomorrow. So I am going to work my regular time, and then obviously within that time frame, once 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock, I'll be in class, and then I'm able to get by my hours. I'm wondering if I should take that on Saturdays, because Sunday we're off because of Easter Sunday. I wonder if I should take the rest of the day, like the 8 hours that we did today, take it on Saturday and leave work early, so I can come home and start getting prepped and stuff for, you know, so I'm not so tired, because I still need to do the Easter egg. I just ordered, because I forgot to get it, the candies. So while I was coming home, I called mommy to, can I move on some stuff in the fridge, because we have to put the carrot cake in there. So Tavana reminded me of the candies for the Easter eggs. So I didn't see anything crazy in Stop My Shop that I needed to get. Like, they were all like, it never made no sense. So I went ahead and I ordered online with Walmart to get me some for tomorrow. So tomorrow when I leave work, that's why I'm wondering if I should actually leave work early, maybe take about 3 hours or something, and then get the remainder hours another time. But I'm gonna leave work and just go grab it at Walmart tomorrow, and tomorrow evening we just pack the Easter egg and stuff, and we'll be ready for Sunday. Anyway guys, enough of my rambling. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, guys, I'm gonna ask you guys to go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. You hear me? Share it, comment, like, okay? And yeah, that's it for today. Until later, guys.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.